why, but on my 680 and my 700, I always feel like this side's hotter. I don't know why, but I just think it cooks hotter. So what I like to do is when I put my brisket on, are you getting this too? Okay. Make sure you get my good side too. All right, come on, help me. Good. You have the point and you have the flat. Okay? Actually, we're gonna turn the point and the flat. I get my brisket. It's at 325 for 30 minutes. Okay, we got that some. As you can tell, watch it, you're leaking that. This is the hottest part, I think, of the 680 700s. I always put where the point is on that side. Okay? And also another reason why too is because I think it links out this way and it drips and it kind of drips on there. So you got it on there right there. Once it's been there for about a good 45 minutes, then I turn it down after 45 minutes to 275. Okay. Now this recipe is for about a 10 to 13 or 10 to 15 pound brisket, 5 hours at 275. Now it all depends on the color that you want to cook it. I always say that when it's a nice mahogany color. Oh, let's go back to spritzing. Set it and forget it, shut it. How many guys use a pro? Thank you. I've learned and I've done barbecue for the past 10 years competitively. And I always had to probably say, oh, I can tell by the way it looks and the way it feels, because it's all about my fingertips on how it was. And what I've learned is that's the dumbest thing in the world. Okay? Because depending on what kind of wood you're using, if you use a harder wood like a mesquite, it's going to darken your meat a lot quicker than a lighter wood like a fruit wood like apple, orange, or a hickory. So I threw that out for you. But it's all about if you're using like
live at Right Tech Academy. There's Jody. Say hey, Jody. Say hey, Trey.
What up?
I'm like, how are you at 200 degrees? Well, my good friend put the probe all the way down because it was hitting the dang thing right there. So it was reading it off the flat pan of that. So I was like, no. So you would literally want to put it about a good inch, depending on how thick that is, right in the middle. So you put it right in the middle of the point, close it. After 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours, depending on how thick your brisket is, you want to have an internal temperature of 163. Okay? 163 is where you want it, not 167, not 150-ish. And the reason why is, once you get 163, you're already starting to have the render process, which is bringing out all the fats and it's bringing out all the juices, and that's when you want to go and start to run. And now, if the guys that like the spritz, one thing I love about my record is really don't need to do voice. It actually has its own connection. And some people say it's dry, but the cool thing with this brisket is once we hit that heat pan, that's one of my favorite things. If you use spritz, you use spritz with that combination you do. Another one that I use, and I use this in my competition, is a little bottle called I Cannot Believe It's Not Butter. Kid you not. The reason why is it's not because of the butter flavor, because it actually has a lot of oils. And you spritz it on there, it makes it a nicer color. So I like to spritz it on there. Don't start for 2 hours. What happens is you gotta let that bark set, you gotta let that bark start drying out, and you can spritz it. After 5 hours in, you're looking at that brisket, it's like, man, it's 5 hours in, and it's only at 152, or it's at 145. Has that ever happened to anybody? Yeah. Don't be afraid to leave it longer, guys. Remember, brisket is a mean animal. Every brisket you're going to have, every brisket that you cook, one will cook longer and take longer, some will cook even quicker. That's why I'm saying, probing things with your best friend. But 163 is where you want to be before you wrap it. If you wrap it too much sooner, what happens is that you release those juices and you start to boiling that, and you wrap it. If you wrap something and you have so many juices coming out that it's leaking on the sides, it's because you didn't let it start to barbecue. You're actually making it hot. What happens is instead of bracing it, you're literally steaming it. You're not making ribs here. You know, what we're trying to do is called the, what do you do when we got, let's see, why is this a good one? Do you have any eating gift? Can I give away those Lysol wipes? Okay, I'll give you something. Okay.